Throw some nets on video now. You don't want to say stuff like that.
I'm used to finding comfort in the zones, the clouds and bones I get used to. I'm out in this spontaneous, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. This blows about my cane, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. It's circle by my body like the boats around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, then if the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snout of my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior, have me lost in light speed.
That's an unsuccessful 360. Woo. Here comes the lean. It's over there.